Why I'm so big on my consultations, because you got to look at areas and figure out what's dense, what's not. This area is not as dense as this area. So knowing that, I can adjust the unit to match perfectly in different spots. This is why it's hard to just go on Alibaba and buy a hair unit, or just go on any website and buy a hair kit. You can't really tell through pictures. But I'll give you an example with hairlines. Hairlines should never be as dense as the rest of the hair. That's why it's always advantageous. If you want to do this, you do it properly, you do it custom, and you get a real consultation. Now, I want to show you the difference between a dense unit and a non-dense unit. There's nothing wrong with either. It's just you have to choose the right one for your specific needs. The challenge with getting the right product is understanding how hair works. And for the average person, they don't know how hair works. So they'll just buy what looks good in a picture. But the challenge is you don't know. This is a lot lighter and this might be what you need versus something a lot thicker, like, this right here. You can't see through this at all. If you noticed, you were able to see the white background through the other unit. This one you cannot see through. And these are the simple details that either make it look real or fake. And what's crazy is it's the same for hair transplants, it's the same for scalp micropigmentation, it's the same for hair units. Density makes or breaks the finished hairstyle.
Damps.